guys! For today's video, ibabahagi namin sa inyo ang aming karanasan tungkol sa COVID. Kompleto na kami sa bakuna, pero nag-positive pa rin sa COVID. Bakit pa kailangan ng bakuna? Hi Baba,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good.
How do you feel? This is your first day, right?
Yeah, first day of COVID.
First day of COVID. So, how is your body reacting to this virus?
I believe it's okay. There's nothing special. Just my nose has
Little block?
sometimes is getting blocked and my throat having some itchiness.
But do you have power? You're powerful or?
Yeah, it's a little. I feel lazy, powerless, but I can handle it. There's nothing worse here. Worse scenario.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Yes.
We'll see on
Let's
the next couple of days, right?
Yeah, we have 10 days to quarantine, so let's see what's gonna be.
So what are you drinking now?
I have here lemon with the ginger and honey.
It's helping you?
Yeah, is it? Is it happy?
Okay.
It's making my throat is soft.
Okay, then let's see the next couple of days. Bye.
All right, bye bye.
Ba, today is your day 5.
Yes.
What do you feel?
Nothing different. Same. I don't understand. I don't believe this is COVID. Really, I don't.
No,
believe
because
this is COVID.
this is now the help of your vaccine.
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe because you are vaccinated, that's why you don't feel anything and you just have a simple stuffy nose.
Yeah, I will go check up today. At the end of my quarantine, I will have the clearance.
You send all the requirements. This is the one they give it to you. And can I see your watch? They also attach watch for you. This is the watch. It's this is for monitoring whatever
Tracking you.
tracking you if you go outside. This is the one, guys. Look. It's your day.
Sikis 8.
It's your day 8. So, how's your condition in day 8?
Alhamdulillah. Better.
Did you feel something wrong the last few days?
Actually, not that much.
But do you feel weakness, very tired, cannot breathe,
No.
fever?
Nothing at all.
Not at all?
Nothing.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, yes.
So, how many days more to go?
This watch will go out in 2nd of June.
Can I see your watch? It's working? I think it's not working.
It's working. I'm charging it.
It will come on out in 2nd of June.
2nd of June. I'm boring of it. I want to remove, but I cannot remove.
So, we will update you guys in the next 2 days. See you.
See you. Bye bye. Stay safe.
Bye.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today is day 11. That means watch removal day, which they put it for me for the first day. I'm on my way now to medical center. I will let them remove the watch. So see you there. I'm here in the medical center now. After waiting 2 hours, finally they have been removed the watch. Thanks God I'm free of COVID right now. Stay safe. What can I say? Bye-bye.
So, yun nga guys, napanood nyo naman kung paano or ano yung na-experience ng asawa ko nung nag-positive siya sa COVID-19. So, of course, kasama kami doon na na-quarantine kasi dito lang siya sa bahay na isolate. And nakita niya guys, shout out nga pala sa family ko sa Pilipinas, sa mga magulang ko. At ngayon pa lang guys nila malalaman na na-infect kami ng COVID. For sure, magugulat sila kasi hindi ko sila sinabihan o silang mag-worry sa amin or ayaw ko silang mag-isip So, nung time na yon, na-aksidente kasi yung tatay ko, and thanks God kasi okay na siya and wala namang heavy na damage or nangyari sa kanya. So, at ayun nga, ayaw ko nang mamblema pa sila sa amin kasi there's nothing to worry about. They are fine, we are perfectly fine, and right now, we are COVID-free, alhamdulillah. Sinishare ko lang tong video ito para mag-advise sa inyo ba, sa mga taong nanonood ngayon or pinapanood yung video namin. Gusto kong i-advise sa inyo kung hindi pa kayo nakapagpa-vaccine, kailangan nyo nang magpa-vaccine kung available naman yung vaccine sa lugar ninyo, guys. So, please take the shot kasi nga very very important na ma-vaccine yung katawan ninyo para may panlaban kayo sa mga virus na to. Lang yung pagkakaiba ng nabakunahan at hindi nabakunahan. Kung maalala nyo, kung nanonood kayo ng vlog namin or palagi kayong nanonood sa mga videos namin, may epektuhan ng corona before at sobrang heavy yung virus na tumama sa kanya. That time, wala pa silang bakuna, hindi pa siya nabakunahan. So, ang impact ng coronavirus sa kanya ay sobrang heavy. Yung bang talagang nasa risk yung tama ng virus sa kanya. So, nahirapan siyang mag-recover. It takes more than 2 weeks para makarecover yung katawan niya nung na-infection ng virus. Si Fatum and Hama tsaka si Libby family, sila lang yung sinabihan ko na nakakaalam na meron na-infect kami ng COVID, and of course my husband na workmate. Yun lang hindi namin sinabi sa pamilya namin sa Pilipinas, sa pamilya namin sa Turkey, para hindi sila mag-alala. So kung nanonood kayo ngayon, don't worry kasi okay naman kami, walang nangyari sa amin, and thanks God. Kaya kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, mag-vaccine na kayo, please lang. At saka sa tatay ko na always nagsasabi na bakit kailangan niyang magpabaksin kung mai-infect din naman pala siya sa sa virus. Sasabihin ko sa iyo, tayo magpabaksin ka na, please lang magpabaksin ka na. Kasi guys, yung tatay ko lagi yung sinasabi na ayaw niya magpabaksin kasi baka yan daw ang ikamatay niya, natatakot siyang magpabaksin, guys. Sa tatay ko, kung nanonood ka ngayon, magpabakuna ka na. Kasi hindi natin alam, who knows, yung susunod na araw, kahit pa nag-iingat ka kung yung nakakasalumuha mo ay meron pala. Yung asawa ko, very light symptoms lang niya kasi nagpabakuna siya. So, ayun guys, ang naishishare namin ngayon, at we are finally COVID-free, at ako nagpaswab din para to make sure na wala din akong virus. Nagpaswab na din ako, guys, nung nakaraang araw. So, alhamdulillah, na-receive ko yung na-receive ko yung result. It was negative. So, family ko na ngayon ay COVID-free. So, thanks God and praise to Allah kasi hindi niya kami pinabayaan sa ganitong sitwasyon at malakas yung immune system namin. So, ayun guys, yun lang yung i-share ko sa inyo. Sana may napulutan kayong aral sa videong ito. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng inyong suporta at sa mga kaibigan ko na nag-pray sa amin. Salamat pala guys. Gusto kong magpasalamat at i-shoutout yung mga channel members ng channel namin na nandyan pa rin na sumusuporta sa amin, sa lahat ng bagong kaibigan natin sa YouTube, sa mga bagong subscribers namin at sa mga subscribers namin at sa lahat ng nanonood at sumusuporta sa aming vlogs. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart, my family. Thank you so much at see you again to our next video. Bye!